HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision. What do these really mean? Welcome to this presentation on HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision. These are two of the most popular high dynamic range formats used in TVs, streaming content, and devices today. In the next few minutes, we'll break down what these terms really mean, how they impact image quality, and which one might be better for you. What is HDR? HDR stands for High Dynamic Range. It's a technology that dramatically improves how bright, dark, and colorful an image can appear on your display. With HDR, you get more detail in shadows and highlights, making movies and shows look more lifelike than traditional SDR. Why HDR matters? HDR matters because it recreates a picture that's closer to what the human eye sees. You get richer colors, deeper contrasts, and more nuance in every frame. Whether it's a bright sunset or a dimly lit scene, HDR adds depth and realism that standard dynamic range simply can't match. HDR10, the basics. HDR10 is the most widely adopted HDR format today. It uses static metadata, meaning the brightness and color information is set once for the entire movie or episode. It supports 10-bit color depth and can reach peak brightness levels up to around 4000 nits, although most content is mastered at 1000. HDR10 Plus, the upgrade. HDR10 Plus builds on HDR10 by adding dynamic metadata. This allows brightness and contrast to be optimized scene by scene, giving you improved detail and color accuracy. It's also open and royalty-free, which encourages broader adoption across devices and content producers. Dolby Vision, an overview. Dolby Vision is considered the premium HDR format. It supports dynamic metadata, just like HDR10+, but goes even further, with the potential for 12-bit color and peak brightness up to 10,000 nits. It offers exceptional consistency across supported devices, thanks to Dolby's strict certification standards. Dynamic metadata explained. Dynamic metadata is the key differentiator between basic HDR formats and advanced ones. It allows each scene, or even each frame, to be adjusted for optimal brightness and color. This means dark scenes look clearer without blowing out highlights, and bright scenes remain vivid without losing detail. Brightness and color differences. Brightness and color performance vary widely between HDR formats. Dolby Vision can theoretically deliver the most intense brightness and widest color range, followed by HDR10+. HDR10 delivers very good performance, but its static metadata can limit fine-tuned adjustments during playback. Supported devices and ecosystems. Device support is where things get interesting. Many Samsung TVs support HDR10+, but not Dolby Vision. Meanwhile, LG, Sony, TCL, and others support Dolby Vision widely. Smartphones, streaming boxes, and tablets also vary, so your experience depends heavily on your device ecosystem. Content availability. HDR content is growing rapidly across streaming services. Amazon Prime Video supports HDR10+ on many titles, while Netflix and Disney Plus heavily favor Dolby Vision. UHD Blu-ray discs often include both, but availability still depends on studio preferences. Gamers will also find these formats on modern consoles. Which one is better? Choosing the better HDR format ultimately depends on your TV. Dolby Vision may offer the best potential performance, but if your TV doesn't support it, or can't reach the brightness the format allows, you won't see the full benefits. HDR10 Plus is a strong open alternative and performs exceptionally on supported Samsung models. Conclusion. In summary, both HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision offer impressive improvements to picture quality. While Dolby Vision pushes the boundaries with higher specifications, HDR10 Plus provides robust dynamic HDR without licensing restrictions. Ultimately, your viewing experience will depend on your display capabilities and the content you watch.